Hello students. Because of increased use of technology, so there is a lot of awareness about UPSC Civil Service examination. And even the students from rural areas, they are also started preparing for this examination. And many parents, they also got awareness about this examination and they are guiding their children in this path of UPSC. So actually, I'm getting a lot of calls regarding Inter plus IAS, Degree plus IAS. But with my 7 to 8 years of experience, I want to share a bare truth on this platform. So joining in this Inter plus IAS is waste of your time and money, guys. So why? Because Inter provides an opportunity for selecting of your future graduation, right? So in Inter, you have to complete your IP and you have to get the good marks. And not only this IP, you have to prepare for other competitive examinations like NEET and MCET. And you already fully engaged with that. And you'll be not getting proper time to focus on this IAS. So please don't join this Inter plus IAS case. It is my sincere request. And not only that, your students and parents are also calling for Degree plus IAS. So actually, Degree plus IAS is also a waste of time and as well as money, because you will be not learning anything in that Degree plus IAS. You will be not thoroughly do this degree, and even you will be not getting knowledge of this IAS also. And actually, what is the simple strategy that you have to follow? So if you are preparing early, it is very good, because lots of applications are coming every year and there is increased competition. I accept it. So preparing early is very good, but you need to have a right strategy so that you have to minimize your wastage of money and as well as minimize your wastage of time, guys. Then what is the perfect strategy? So take your admission in the degree college, whichever course that you want to do. So take the admission in degree or BTech. And if you're giving 3 to 4 hours of time every day, that is more than enough for your UPSC preparation from the degree. So for that, what can we do? So here in Rathod Science Academy, we are providing one great opportunity, guys. We are conducting All India Scholarship Test on May 21st at 10 a.m. So register that first and try to take that test. In that test, we are providing 50 questions and each question carries 2 marks and you have to complete that test within 30 minutes. And these questions are based on basic 6 to 12 NCERT books. And the syllabus which we are covering is polity, history, economy, geography, and environment and ecology. We are going to give you the basic questions. And if you are performing well, and if you are getting rank 1 to rank 5, you will be getting 100% scholarship for this prelims cum mains foundation course. And from 6 to 10 ranks, 75% of fee reimbursement, and 11 to 20 ranks, 50%, like that. For first 40 students, we are going to give scholarship. And here, if you clear that, or if you are in that list of 1 to 40, you have to pay the fee from 0 rupees to 20 to 30,000 for our entire GS Prelims cum mains foundation course on online. And what is this course is about? What you're going to learn this course? So first one is, we are going to teach from the very basics, like what is UPSC and what are the papers in this UPSC and how this examination pattern will be there and how you have to prepare for each and every test and what UPSC going to test in each and every level. And each one is, we are going to detailedly explain you about UPSC syllabus, micro listing of topics, how to write mains answer, how to write an essay in the basic classes. After that, your foundation course starts. And in this foundation course, you will be having 4 to 6 hours of everyday classes. And after classes, we will be giving you enough work and you have to write at least 2 answers, that is mains answers per day. And on every Saturday, we are conducting the test. And after completion of entire subject, you will be having again revision test. And this course is for 10 months of duration. And in this 10 months, we are going to cover each and every subject of your syllabus. For example, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, along with essay and as well as CSAT. And within this 10 months, not only we provide classes, but even we are going to cover each and every topic and we are going to give the test and you are going to know how the questions will be asked in that so-and-so topic. And if you have any doubts, you can come and you can contact us on either mobile, or if you are free and if you are there in this nearby surroundings, you can come to office and you can clear your doubts. And next important thing here is we are also going to provide you one-to-one mentorship. We'll guide you. And next here is after completion of your course, you can sit and you can revise your notes and you can see your previous questions and you can practice on them and you can give your attempt. And one more thing here is especially students who are from financially back areas, who are not financially suitable. Okay, if you are thinking for preparing of this UPSC, then this is the right choice. Try to use this opportunity. Okay, so if you want to register for examination, so in this video description, we are providing you the link for registration. Try to fill that. And the test is on 21st May. And on the 20th, you will be getting test link, either to your registered mobile number or your mail ID. Okay, and you can click on that link on the next day, 21st May at 10 a.m. and you can submit your test within half an hour. And based on the ranks, we will be announcing who are the winners, who are there in this 1 to 40 ranks. Okay, and we are also going to provide you a certificate. And try to utilize this opportunity, guys, and don't forget to register, and I will be meet you in the class. Thank you so much, guys.